Alright, today we're gonna teach you how to do a burnout. Look good for them ladies. First got 30 bike. Make sure you don't have a nice bike, because you ain't gonna be nice after you do this. Probably won't be in first gear at all, kid. Hold that front brake tight. You'll take off from you. Better have that clutch just off. Just a little bit. Now after that, probably gonna need a new clutch, definitely a new tire, and hopefully you didn't fuck anything else up. So if you did, oh shit, we leaking something here. Oh damn. Blew up the kick till Monday. KTM ain't doing too well. Well, we'll come back next time with a better bike to show you how to do it right. Check us out at OEM Dirt Bike Parts. We can fix this bike in a jiffy. OEMDirtBikeParts.com.